Hi, I am Becky Amble, and I want to share a fun little thing that you can do using artificial intelligence. Fun. I think it's fun, but that's me. And it can save you some time and give you some different options. So, what you want to do is make sure that you have, can you see it? ChatGPT on your phone, because I'm going to show you how to do something on the phone. And when you are on the phone, you can talk to your ChatGPT, which is pretty fun. And I'm going to show you how you can integrate that with your computer. So let's, well, I suppose we could go to sharing and get the ChatGPT set up on our screen here. So you're going to see me in the little window talking to ChatGPT. So the first thing I am going to do is, I don't know if you ever have to write thank you notes to volunteers. I thought that's what we're going to do with this one. So I'm going to talk to my ChatGPT. Oh, still talking. Just a minute. Now I got to erase that. So make sure when you start talking, you're giving it the command. You are an excellent letter writer, period. I want you to write a thank you letter to volunteers who helped put together a golf fundraiser, period. The volunteers helped for months with recruiting people to be sponsors, with getting people to participate, and showing up the day of the event and helping out with all kinds of activities, period. I want you to give them my heartfelt thank you and tell them how much I appreciate their effort and excuse me, and their commitment to our group, which is a group of military veterans, period, and how this makes a difference to the veterans in their job search and supporting them, period. You are an expert on military veterans, period. You are an expert on fundraising, period. You are an expert on letter writing, period. Write a letter for me to express my gratitude. Now, that's all in my phone, and I sent it off. And what I want to show you is that you can go to your computer now. I think you can see this, and I'm going to hit refresh. And you're just going to hopefully love this. All right, see over on the left, it says thank you letter draft. I quickly clicked on that, maybe before you could see what was going on. Here is the prompt that I dictated into my phone. And I am a geek on all this stuff, but I just love it. Here is my letter, and it's on my computer, which of course is how I would tend to work with things. I would copy it from here, and I would look at this and I go, dear volunteer, put in their name. I'm writing to express my deepest gratitude for the incredible dedication and effort you have put into making our recent golf fundraiser such a resounding success. Your unwavering commitment over the past several months, whether it was recruiting sponsors, rallying participants, or being there on the day of the event to lend a helping hand, truly made all the difference. Your hard work is not just appreciated, it is deeply valued. Our group of military veterans who are at the heart of everything we do will benefit enormously from the funds raised. Your efforts contribute directly to helping those veterans as they navigate their job searches and work towards building successful careers after their service. The support you have provided plays a crucial role in their journey, offering them the camaraderie, resources, and encouragement they need. Anyway, you can see the letter goes on, and I just think that was a snap to do it that way, to talk into my phone. The other thing that I encourage you to do is, maybe you saw me give a lot of details up here in my prompt where I just went on and on and on. The more details you can give your prompt, the better results you're going to get. And the other part, you might have heard me say here at the beginning, I said you are an excellent letter writer. And then at the end, I repeated that. I said you are an expert on military veterans. You are an expert on fundraising. You are an expert on writing. Write a letter for me to express my gratitude. Then you get this and you say, hey, that looks really good. Or if you're like me, you might say, give me 4 more versions of this letter. All right. So then it will give me 4 more versions. And I might think that is terrific. I might say, give me 2 versions that are more folksy. How do you spell folksy? Not like that. And friendly. So I'll say, do that. And here it'll rattle off those two versions that are just a little bit more folksy and friendly. And then I might say, give me, or write, I suppose I should be correct on that, write two, well, there we had three versions that are more professional and formal. Okay. Take out those spaces. Doesn't probably care too much, but it does like to have us be accurate. All right. So there you go. And now I'm going to have three more versions depending on what my goal is. Do I want it professional? Do I want it friendly? Do I want it chatty? What exactly do I want? Anyway, I wanted to show you mostly because I got all geeked out and crazy one day thinking about I could save time by just talking to my phone. And then I can go over right to my computer and have my ChatGPT open, and up on the very top where your browser address is, hit that little refresh, and there you go. It'll put your last document over on the left margin you see over here where all of our documents are. The very last one at the top of the list is going to be the one that you dictated. Anyway, I hope you have fun with that and can see how this is going to save you some time, because usually we talk quite a bit faster than we type. If that works for you, give it a try and see what you think. Thanks. We'll see you another time for another tip on how to use artificial